Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Tata Power Company Limited. This is basically a Tata company, so it's good to invest and trade in these stocks because, however, the stock may go up in such stocks. And now let us analyze the stock on technical basis. On listing, the stock opened as usual and it moved at the same price for more than 5 years, and the 2003 is the year where Tata Power gained attention from the investor side, so the stock moved upwards till Jan 2008, and at the Jan 2008, after some sort of deaccumulation in the stock happened, and the stock once again came back to the low levels, and once again it came back to the high levels. It's quite confusing, right? But the stock is completely following the technicals here. The accumulation deaccumulation will happens within a range. Look at the deaccumulation range. The stock deaccumulated by some big investors for more than 2 years, and once the deaccumulation happened, the stock broke the range and it came back and took retracement at the resistance level, and it started falling till the range of 30. So after hitting the low at covid fall, and stock started rippling to the higher side, so once again the stock came out of the bear run, and also the stock gave a breakout from a parallel channel pattern here. The breakout is at December 2020, and the stock is also now trending, but in the very future the stock will move up from the current market price. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit like button if you like the video, and feel free to comment below your queries and questions and suggest us some stocks to be analyzed in our style. In weekly chart, look at the chart. The chart is quite good in going long because the stock, after breaking the resistance area here, it took a retracement, and it started going up from that price. So it's good to go long in this stock. And let me draw some major regions to be considered before going long in this stock. Look at the resistance area, which is respected till now, and the stock came back to the support level. This can be considered as the major support level for the stock. So let me move to the daily chart to analyze the entry and target in the stock. So this can be taken as the major support and resistance level, which also can be considered as the demand and supply zones. And let me draw a major trend line that the stock follows right now. This is the trend line. The stock making a new highs and new lows, higher lows and higher highs, but the stock is currently consolidating a bit, so it's going long. So going long in the stock is also good when the stock breaks the range of 109 110 range. 110 range can be taken as the entry for the stock, and for safe trade one can trade above the range of 115, which can be considered as the entry for safe traders. And taking entry at current market price is not preferable because the stock is currently in the consolidation zone. So one can take entry above the range of 110, and first target is at 130 range, which is easily achievable, and 155 also can be considered as the target for the stock. So one can take entry above 110 range, and 131 can be taken as the target for the stock. This is based on a Fib extension tool, and 130 range of target is easily achievable.